back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we customize this text size setting in our Poco phone. Guys, you want to customize guys this text size setting, so you can customize according to yourself. And friends, and now let's see how can we use text size setting and how can we customize. Open your phone setting and guys scroll it. Hence you can see guys your phone display setting guys, tap on display setting guys. Hence you can see your text size setting guys, click on text size. Guys, you can see guys your text size setting. How do I adjust text size setting guys? You can adjust from here. You can customize into large, small and to small size guys. You can customize according to yourself guys. Don't say little small to small text size setting you want. You can customize according to yourself guys. So like that guys, we can customize our text size setting in our Poco phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video guys.